Welcome back to the Educational Highway. Today we are diving into something that, let's be honest, affects every single one of us, the stress that can build up inside the very walls we call home. But what if you could turn that space into a true sanctuary, a place of peace and support? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not just possible, it's absolutely within your reach, starting right now.
Okay, just picture this for a second. It's pure chaos, right? It's loud, it's messy, it's just completely overwhelming. The whole energy of the house is frantic, and the idea of relaxing feels like a million miles away. For so many families, this isn't just a scene from a movie, it's Tuesday night.
If that picture hit a little too close to home, believe me, you are not alone. But here's the good news. It really doesn't have to be that way. It doesn't matter who you are, whether you're a student trying to find your way, a parent juggling a million things at once, a professional trying to decompress, or a dreamer working to build your future. A peaceful home is an achievable goal for every single one of you. Okay, let's dive in.
So, first things first, we've got to build the solid foundation. This is all about bringing some structure and clarity into your home to turn that chaos into a sense of calm.
You see, these two strategies, they're like peanut butter and jelly. They just work together perfectly. Think about it, an organized home just runs more smoothly. You're not wasting time looking for keys or that one specific permission slip, which cuts way down on frustration. And at the same time, having clear family rules means everyone knows the game plan. It stops those little misunderstandings before they even have a chance to blow up.
And look, the secret to making this work is to start small. Getting organized does not mean you have to Marie Kondo your entire house in one weekend. Nope. The idea is to treat it like a bunch of mini projects. Just tackle one drawer, one closet, maybe just that one corner of the room that drives you crazy. And when it comes to the rules, this isn't about you laying down the law. It's about a family meeting, a real collaboration where everyone gets a say. That's how you land on compromises that everybody can actually feel good about.
Okay, I'm really curious to hear from all of you on this one. What's one simple rule that's made a real difference in your home? Maybe it's a no phones at the dinner table rule, or a clean up your own mess rule. Drop your best one in the comments below. Let's get some ideas flowing. All right, next up, we're going to talk about strengthening your connections. Now that we have a solid foundation of structure, we can focus on the emotional heart of the home, the stuff that really makes it feel safe and warm. This right here, this is the core of everything. You know, good communication can stop a fight before it even begins. Unconditional love, that builds this incredible sense of security that you just can't get anywhere else. And actively supporting each other, that makes every single person in the family feel seen and heard and truly valued.
Let's just sit with this for a second, because this concept is so incredibly powerful. It's the ultimate safety net. It means we're allowed to be human, to mess up. For kids and for parents, knowing that you have a family that's got your back when you stumble, that is maybe the biggest stress reducer there is. It creates a home where it's actually safe to fail, to learn, and to grow together.
And this is such a crucial point. Support isn't a passive feeling, it's an active verb. It is the huge difference between just thinking you support your family and actually dragging yourself out on a rainy Friday night to go to your daughter's art show, even when you're exhausted. That physical act of showing up, it speaks volumes. It says more than words ever could.
Hey, if you're finding this useful and you want to keep building a stronger, more peaceful life, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button for more from the Educational Highway. We'd love to have you.
Let's get real for a minute. You know, building these deep connections isn't always easy. So, what's one barrier you've had to work through in your family? Was it crazy schedules? Was it technology getting in the way? Or maybe something else entirely? Go ahead and share your experience in the comments. You never know. Your story might just be the thing that helps someone else break through their own barrier.
Okay, on to our final section, making time for each other. Let's talk about how to intentionally shift from just chaotic time to real quality time. These last two strategies are so simple, but wow, are they effective. Just making a point to eat dinner together can be this amazing daily anchor, a moment to connect in the middle of our busy, chaotic lives. And having fun together, that's the glue that holds it all together. But here's the key takeaway. Fun usually has to be scheduled. If you wait for it to just happen, well, it probably won't.
This is such a fantastic practical tip. When you schedule your fun and you let every single person have a turn choosing the activity, whether it's board game night, a movie, or just a walk around the block, you guarantee that everyone feels invested. It totally changes the dynamic from, forced family fun to something that everyone actually looks forward to. So, let's put this all together.
The stress-free home we're talking about building today, it stands on a foundation of structure, it's strengthened by deep connection, and it's really brought to life by making intentional time for each other.
Because, you know, when it's all said and done, after all the strategies and all the tips, it really just boils down to this one powerful truth. Every single action we've talked about, from organizing a junk drawer to showing up to a school play, it's all just an expression of love.
All the material we've gone over today was created by the Educational Highway, bringing you the key ideas from our source material.
So I want to leave you with this. Your home is your sanctuary. It's where you're supposed to recharge for life. It is far, far too important to be just another source of stress. So start small, be consistent, and build your home on love starting today.